Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please visit my channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Christmas centerpieces. As you know that without decorations, Christmas festival is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea for my viewers. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and collecting my beautiful channel in this collection. So 50 plus unique idea that recreate and transfer your beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpiece. These designs for my viewers. Beautiful idea, creativity, fresh ideas, fresh figures. The designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and give more idea about how to create and how to transfer your house on the day of Christmas festival. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Christmas festival 2025. I provide you simple designs for your Merry Christmas. Centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs and decoration are unique and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your beautiful festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. They look so beautiful, so attractive, so stylish. If you new my channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then please visit my channel. Centerpieces look so attractive, so beautiful, so stylish and enhance the beauty of your decorations. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it. And also do try my amazing and beautiful design. They also look attractive, so stylish. All the designs and decorations so amazing. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.